Hi students, it's Mrs. Tyler. I just wanted to give you quick instructions on how to digitally complete the Roosevelt's Alphabet Soup page 12 in our notes packet. If you do not have your paper packet in front of you, this is an option for you. You'll notice that there are some blue X's along this column, and then 2 spots to write some answers and a place for your name. My first recommendation is that you go ahead and bring this to 100% so you can see better. Type your name here. All you have to do is highlight the blue text and replace with your name. Okay. Okay, and then once you are going, we go through the Edpuzzle video of this activity. You will want to take this X and just mark it, move it to the column, whether you think it's relief, recovery, or reform. You can just move it over to where you think it needs to be. Okay, and you'll do that for all of them as you go through the video. And then down here at the bottom, when you get to the last 2 questions, you will need to type in, just highlight. The quickest way to do this, you guys, is just double click right on that word and it highlights the word for you. And then you just replace it with either your answer true or false. Okay, that is how you fill this worksheet in, and then you can go ahead and turn it in if you need to. You could also print it off so you have it available to look at to study for Unit 5 Quiz 2. Have a great day. Bye.